Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off notification in Monopoly Go. So, in order to do this, first of all, open your Monopoly Go application, and after the application gets opened, you will see this page. Here, you'll have to simply click on this three dotted icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now, you will see Shop, Net Worth, Showroom, Map, Board, Join Us, and Settings icon, that is an icon represented by a gear. Click on Settings and it is going to show you this page where you can do the audio settings for your Monopoly Go application, language settings, notification, customer service, legal, and manage account. So we are going to click on the notification button just right here. Click on notification and it is going to open up this page. Here you will see that if you have already turned on the notifications, this push notification will be turned on. Now you can also choose to turn off notifications for specific things like mischief report, social, freebies, events, and offers. So you can turn off any kind of notification you want, or if you want to turn off the in-game notifications, select this and your in-game notifications will be disabled. Now if you want to disable all kind of notifications on Monopoly Go, simply turn off the first switch that says push notification, and it is instantly going to turn off all the notifications on Monopoly Go. So that's how you turn off notification in Monopoly Go. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.